On an early summer morning in Spirit Lake, the local farmers market opens for business. One of the first people you'll find shopping is a former construction contractor from Texas named Michael Dunn.
I generally need a shopping cart, and they don't have any here by the time I leave the farmer's market.
He's a familiar face to many growers. Today, he's checking out the stalls looking for several locally sourced ingredients like asparagus, chicken, and arugula.
Out of five.
It's an early start to a long day, but this food isn't going to cook itself. And as Michael will tell you, this is what happens when a guy meets a girl on Facebook, retires to Iowa, watches a few too many cooking programs on television, and decides to build a food truck. The Farm to Fork food truck manages to be many things. It's a little bit Texas barbecue.
Brisket, ribs, sausage.
It's a little bit foodie.
I decided to start going into making miniature pies, little 3-inch pies.
And it's a whole lot of creativity.
Well, maybe it's like someone called it yesterday, Texas fusion.
Take one look at the menu and you'll see something that is indeed different. Using anything and everything local, Michael experiments, concocts, and creates several unique items.
No telling what it'll be next week. We'll change it up. We try to be very different than anything you can get at any restaurant in this area. It was my concept of providing locally grown food for the wonderful people of Iowa.
Homemade bacon jam. He makes with bacon and 27 different other ingredients.
I needed a summer hobby because I wasn't going to do construction anymore. So instead of culinary school, I just spent a lot of time watching cooking shows and reading cookbooks. Doesn't get better than that. Then I've managed to hire myself a pretty good staff.
Michael and his team find ways to keep both the local regulars and new visitors surprised.
Of course, being a resort area, people from all over the world actually come here. You can tell by the signatures on the truck. I let people sign it, and they've come from Japan to Germany to England to everywhere. It's just overwhelming and awesome that people think that highly of our food. It's really a dream come true, not knowing I had that dream, really.
Michael has found a way to make the summer experience in Iowa even better, with local food, an outdoor atmosphere, and extremely friendly company, all wrapped up in a unique food truck.